Hello guys, this is Mohammad Rashid and today we are going to learn a Modbus communication between MICROLOGIX 1400 and Emotron VS series drive. It is a Crompton Greaves company's drive. So today we will do installation, wiring and programming on Emotron drive. So first I am going to discuss the basic parameter setting. First we have to understand that what we are going to do in our project. Okay. So in the basic parameter we will see the start stop signal and increase decrease speed of the drive. After that we will see the communication parameter. Communication parameter is also an important parameter because if we want to increase decrease the speed of the drive or start stop signal from PLC to drive, we have to communicate the PLC and drive to each other. So for that we have to set the parameter in communication parameter, and that is H0. So the basic parameter is B0, B1, B2 and the communication parameter is H0. After that we will discuss on wiring. I am using in my PLC, I am using 1763 NC01. That is an Allen Bradley product. Okay, that is for Modbus communication, RS485 DSI protocol communication. So the two wire which will come from the NC01 we will connect on the drive, that is 485 plus and 485 minus. You can also see on the video. We will connect both wire on that terminal of the drive. That is for communication. Okay, before starting the parameter setting, I just want to show you some important display values that we can see from the shift button. Okay, and by this shift button if we press alternatively we can see the voltage, ampere and hertz. Okay, let's see group B0 is for frequency command source. B0.00 is frequency source selection. In frequency source selection we will select 0. 0 is master frequency source. And B0.01 is master frequency command source. Over here we will select 3 is for communication. Okay, now we will see group B1 is for start stop control. B1.00 is for run command parameter. Over here we can select 2 communication control. When we will select 2, we can see in the drive status the LED started blinking. And now we will see all these parameter setting in the video, that how we can set the parameter. Okay, after the parameter set for frequency and start stop control, we will move for communication. And maybe you have remembered that H0 is the parameter for communication. So we can select by the up and down arrow. Okay, in group 0 is for communication parameter, and when we press enter we will go inside the H0 parameter, that is S0.00. H0.00 is for baud rate, so you can select as per your required baud rate. I have selected 1. H0.01 is data format. In this parameter I have selected 3, no check data format. H0.02 local address, you can give as per your required local address. Okay, I have given 3. S0.03 communication timeout, S0.04 response time delay, S0.05 master slave communication mode. I need the inverter is in the slave mode because my PLC is master, so I have selected 0 and default value is 0. S0.06 the master communication sending data is 0. Information written when communication error is H0.07, and over here the default value is 1. We need written the communication error information. Guys, in the next video we will see the messaging programming between Emotron drive and MICROLOGIX 1400 PLC. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.